Good afternoon. This training tape is on how to use images. Images is an option that you can purchase at a small cost to upload any forms that you have on your computer. For example, if you have a completed BMA and you wanted to upload it to the record, you could do that with the images option. I always like to think about having the record as the file folder and all the uploads in the images as the papers in the file folder. They will all be attached to the record. When using images, a couple things you should know. Over in your users table, you want to change show referral images and make sure that's a yes. That will put any images that you upload on the bottom of the screen like the notes go. Makes it easier to read. So that's your first step. Your second step is to come over here on the left-hand side where it says images, and it will either ask you to upload an image for the first time for that record, or it will give you a list of all the images that you have uploaded. If you want to upload an image, you press upload a new image. It tells you the limit, which is 5 gigabytes, and it'll tell you what percentage full you are. So you can see we have a lot of images in this demo, and we're only 0.1% full. It doesn't fill up very quick. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to Browse, and you want to browse your hard drive for the image. Once you find the image on your hard drive, all you're going to do is press Upload File. You want to keep it as a normal upload. The only time you would override it is if you have an image, let's say you uploaded a BMA and you have a revised BMA that was given to you, you might want to override the first BMA. If it finds a file with the exact same name, if you press override, it would override it. Otherwise, it will give you an error on the normal upload telling you that one already exists. So you want to keep the name unique. Once the file has been uploaded, you'll be given the option to also give it a description. So if your image name is a bunch of numbers and you want to give it a description of what it actually is, you'll be able to do that. And the image gets loaded into the file for this customer and gets added into the table here, as well as at the bottom of the screen. And down here, here is the images for that record at the bottom of the screen. Okay, once you have images uploaded, you can email all images out, or you can check certain images and email all checked images out. It will give you what the image is. In this case, they're both pictures. It puts your email signature here, and then you can either click one of these buttons or you can type in the email address. Put a subject line, it will have the customer's name, and then in the body of the email you can write a little message there. So you'll be able to send images from the images file for the record that you have attached them to. When you send an image, a note goes into the notes file telling you what image you have sent and who you have sent it to. So the images at a small cost I don't remember the setup cost, but the yearly cost is $120 for one user and $20 for each additional user. So if you have 2 users, it would be $140 added to your maintenance a year. You're buying space. I hope this has been helpful, and if you're interested in this option, just let us know.